Étranglé par le jour, par les heures à compter. Étranger pour toujours, fuir la peur, te raconter. Combien de fois?
So we're going to see one of the builds now. Oh yes, I'm coming.
Things can sometimes get held up and move slow. So if someone tells me 4 weeks, I'll say 6 weeks. Right? Plan for 6. Be happy.
I have like a bedroom here.
You come here.
Étranglé par le jour, par les...
So here I am, guys. This is so cool. This is, yeah, I even have like a little terrace balcony over here. This is amazing. Very, very excited. Can't wait to see how it all looks when it's finished. But it's just so nice to have all this space, and like I really wanted something like very airy. Not even I'm gonna live here, I'm gonna rent it out, but I might still live here sometimes, you know. It's not bad to have a home in Caribbean and Mexico. So yeah, this is a big day for me. So this is where the kitchen is gonna be. We're gonna have a fridge, we're gonna have an island here with the stove so I can have friends over cooking food. So there's two possibilities: to have a couch here with a couch, right? And there's gonna be a wall here, so the TV will be here, or to do it other way around, so you kind of like have a couch here and you have a view on the sunset. Actually, I think this is gonna look better with a sunset view, right? This is gonna be the bedroom. So this is how it looks. We're gonna have a closet here and a bed here. And I'm thinking about putting like a desk here as well, so like a working desk. And imagine just sitting here watching this view with the sunset. This is Alex with Miley. This is gonna be our bathroom. So I'm gonna do like a black shower. Right now, this is how it looks. A nice black shower, toilet. And we're gonna break this wall here, so it's gonna be more space. And yeah, so it's gonna be like a doorway, and we're gonna have a closet space here. Ta-da! On every page, yeah.
Yes. Your English.
Buy my first apartment! Wait.
It's exciting.
So exciting.
Not your last one?
No. That was an evil laugh.
Floor.
Yeah, we're going right now to my apartment. I'm gonna show you how it looks. Alright. Sign the contract! Welcome to my crib. Amazing. Okay. Hi, you can come in. Oh, she's so cute, she's like waiting.
Ah, you already have a visitor.
Thank you. This is my current view. I'm just out on the terrace. Oh, so nice. Okay.
Ready?
I'm scared. Wait. Okay, go on.
Woo!
Ah! Ah! Oh my god! Sorry. Wait. Nice. Yeah, glasses I do not approve, but it's like.
Congratulations, Anna.
Étranglé par le jour, par les heures à compter. Étranger pour toujours, fuir la peur, te raconter. Combien de fois tu...
You know? Perfect.
Hey, hi everyone. Oh my god. Oh, she wants a cookie as well.
They're so good.
What do you think about the cookies? You like them? Yeah, it's like Alex
Always.
might test
Really
too.
good. Oh my god. Amazing.
Ala's yummy. Ala's yummy food.
OMG. No windows or doors. Oh, this is an adventure.
Things can sometimes get held up and move slow. So if someone tells me 4 weeks, I'll say 6 weeks. Right?
Étranglé par le jour, par les...
So we are on our way to check out the apartment. I haven't been here for a couple of weeks, so can't wait to see how it looks. See, Alex. So the floors have been put in, and the sockets. The kitchen is coming. When is kitchen coming? Tomorrow.
It's supposed to be here today.
Today, but it's Mexico, so it's coming tomorrow. Look at that view. It smells like paint in here, but the walls have been done and painted. This is the bedroom. It's all coming together. And look at the bathroom. I wanted it dark, so they've done this side dark now as well, dark tiles. Wow, it's coming together. Just wanted to go up and see the rooftop again. Oh my gosh, look at that. Literally a pool, giant pool overlooking the sunset. Imagine how romantic this is. You can be here with your other half, chilling every night. They're gonna build the yoga studio up there. Wow, so cool. Ooh, and we have finally the lounges and the chill area. Look, they've done the flowers and the cushions. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. And the grill is coming here. Wow, literally can chill here. Alex, you're right there. So we've just watched the apartment. Hopefully everything's gonna be finished next week. The rooftop looks amazing. Sunbed's being put in there. The bedding, the cushions. So it's very, very exciting. It is much slower than I thought, but that's kind of the beauty of buying the property that's not fully done. However, you can get it at a much cheaper price. And then of course, once it's all done, I could potentially sell it already and make 20-30K, but I'm not going to do that. This is my investment. I'm just going to keep it. But very, very excited to see how it all comes together. And then we're gonna have to go furniture shopping and all the bits shopping, and it's all kind of new and exciting. You know that one, yeah? We're going to the warehouse to pick the counters. We were like 2 hours late because of the traffic. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, so I'm just on my way to check up on the apartment. It's taken so much longer, but apparently the kitchen is installed. I'm actually very, very excited. Let's see. I'm excited and nervous because kitchen is like the best part of the house for me anyway, right? I need a good kitchen. So anyway, let's go. I'll take you with me. Time to go.
Étranglé par le jour, par les heures à compter. Étranger pour toujours, fuir la peur de raconter. Combien de fois tu m'as déçu?
Okay, let's see. Okay. Oh, it's starting to come together. Okay, so it's not quite there just yet. Okay, that's the kitchen. Oh. It's not ready yet. There's my closet, I guess. Here are some sinks. Oh gosh, I don't know how we're gonna pick. Yeah, maybe the dark one. Maybe that one then. Maybe that one there. You see, I don't know. So we found this one which matches the tiles. And yeah. So many doggies here. Hi. Hi. Oh my god, you're so adorable. Look at the blue eyes. Hi. Hello. Oh. Wow, the eyes. Oh guys, here is the update. Look at this. Alex. Look at this dream kitchen. We haven't decided if we're going to keep the chairs. They're a little bit high, but they do match. Look at my counter. The lamps have been fixed. Oven. It's fully equipped kitchen. Obviously, as I'm a chef, I had to get everything. Look at this. I think I went a bit crazy. I've literally ordered everything that possibly you can order. So this is like a social space. Oh, the TV has been installed, the curtains. Look at this. And then this is the bedroom. I ordered these Himalayan lamps. The mirror, the bed is coming. We're gonna go pick the bed now. Oh, and the bathroom. Let me show you the bathroom. Oh yeah, the closet has been done. We've installed the handles. I ordered the bed sheets, the towels, the hangers. Oh my gosh, the whole place is coming together. Wow, let's see the bathroom. Bathroom is being installed. See, and I ordered these little bits. And then got the towels. Still need to, this needs to be put up because I'm gonna rent it out. Got the carpet and the shower. And I actually installed a filter so that the water is nice and soft. So there we go. Oh, hello Hector. So sunset right from the bedroom.
Étranglé par le jour, par les heures à compter. Étranger